What's going on with Meesho? Meesho is an online shopping platform that is set to facilitate trade between suppliers, resellers, and customers as an online marketplace. Meesho is said to be backed by entities like Peak 15, Y Combinator, Process, SoftBank, and more. It achieved a valuation of nearly $5 billion in 2021 after a $570 million Series F funding round led by Fidelity and B Capital. WestBridge Capital is an investment firm that is set to primarily focus on investments in India. And in September 2023, it was reported that WestBridge may acquire a minority stake in Meesho. This move may be through a secondary transaction that's valued at around $3 billion. A secondary transaction is when someone purchases a stake in a company without the money going to the company. Instead, it goes to the investor who already owns that stake. Venture Highway is a tech-focused venture fund that was said to be one of Meesho's early investors. It may be looking to sell a significant portion of its stake in Meesho to WestBridge in the secondary share sale. If this goes ahead, WestBridge would acquire about 2% of Meesho. With Venture Highway said to have a stake of about 3% in Meesho, it may still retain a stake after the transaction. And with Meesho competing with platforms like Flipkart and Amazon, it is set to surpass its performance in H1 2023. The valuation of about $3 billion in this potential secondary transaction may represent a discount compared to Meesho's previous valuation. That being said, Meesho, Venture Highway, and WestBridge are said to have declined to comment. In April 2023, Fidelity slashed the fair value of investment in Meesho to about $37.8 million. In May 2023, Fidelity had cut Meesho's valuation by about 10% to about $4.4 billion. Then what happened? In July 2023, Fidelity marked up the fair value of its investment in Meesho to approximately $43.2 million. This is about a 15% uptick in valuation. So, Fidelity increased the estimated worth of their investment in Meesho. It may be that Meesho has become more valuable than it was previously thought to be. Why so? It may be Meesho's financial performance. Meesho announced it had achieved profitability in July 2023. It had been said to have been cutting down its CAC, which is customer acquisition cost, and marketing expenses while also conducting layoffs. There have also been secondary transactions between investors in recent deals involving companies like Lenskart and FirstCry. What is the future of Meesho?